Hello, welcome back to CompXM 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips, details guide for round 1 to get the top result. Round 1 to get the top result. You will complete after 4 videos, right? So if you have the right strategy, you can see the result as you see on the screen. Invest in round 1, 2 and 3 and get the top result in round 3 and 4, the result around 900, 950 out of 1000, right? So now I show you the top 10 winning tips. Apply very important for all rounds, but more important in round 1. So first winning tip number 1, to check industry condition report. I show you. So you start CompXM with 4 products here: trip, core, nano, elite. You need to know what product is the trip, what is the core, and nano and elite. You have to you can look at here the report here. I show you page number 4 to see the trip, core, nano, and elite, right? So the trip is the cheapest one, the lowest cost, lowest price. So here you see the trip here, and is the trip and core and nano elite. Remember, the order different from round to round, from game to game. And trip here price lowest one, and core and nano and elite, right? For product segment. And you need to check industry condition report. Always do this. Check the industry condition report to see the 4 segment: trip, core, nano, elite. But in the game, the order may be different, and the number also different. Here the table 2. And this number different, and I will say it again and again in on the video 100 times. You do not copy this number from the screen, because the game different from game to game. This is example of the strategy only. I show you the strategy, explain the decision, and then you use the number from your game. And then you download the Excel file like this under the video. You see the I copy and paste the number here, so you can copy the paste the number from your game and paste into the Excel file this part. And then the R&D will be calculated automatically. I say it again. You open this from your game and get the number from your game and paste into this part of the Excel file, and then you get R&D for 8 rounds here. So you need to do that one time. If you are not sure, you send the email. I explain to you. After you calculate the R&D here, the Excel is free, so you can download anytime and calculate automatically here. So put in the trip here. You need to know what the product by the trip. It is the smallest number. The trip here we start that, and 5.2 we update that, right? Round 1 I show you details 14.8, 14.8, 14.8, and then this one we get 8.1 and 11.9, and then 10.3 for the core, and then 7.4 for this, and then we have the elite here, the highest quality one, right? And 9.7, right? So that's trip and core and nano. If you want to get 80%, you can use 4 product. But if you want to get around 90% and 95% out of 100, you need to add 4 new products. So this elite, right? I write the name easy for you to remember, right? 10, 13.7 and 8.9 for next round, 26. And this a trip, the first one, the trip is the lowest one, right? 6.5, 13.5. and 20,000. And then we have core, the second segment, 9.2 and 10.8 and 22,000. And then a nano, right? So we get trip core nano 11.1 and 6.3 and 24,000. So that's the R&D for round 1. Very important, right? R&D for round 1. If you do this, you are listening to this, you win 60% of the CompXM already. So understand R&D, the most important thing, right? R&D. Okay, so come back with the winning tips. Check industry condition report. You have 4 segments. You use table 2 and table 3. You download the free Excel file. And winning tip number 2, check the courier report to set the price growth units, so inventory. I show you in the next video. If you have any questions, remember, if you have any questions, send the email to mbasim.faris@gmail.com. Check the other videos for winning guide and tips, and then you can pass CompXM easily. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.